Imagine earning money online just by processing emails. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it legit or just another online scam? Today, I'm breaking down email processing jobs, their promises, pitfalls, and the tools and videos they claim will set you up for success. Let's dive in. Welcome to Profit Review HQ. I am here to bring you honest and detailed reviews of trending products and services so you can make smarter decisions with your time and money. If that sounds helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we are uncovering the world of email processing jobs, a side hustle that's been making waves online. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Email processing jobs are marketed as an easy way to earn money online. The basic idea is simple. First, you post pre-written ads on social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Craigslist. Second, people respond to your ads and when they make a purchase, you earn a commission. The site claims it's a beginner-friendly way to generate passive income with minimal effort. But as always, the devil is in the details. The website provides an overview of how to get started with email processing jobs. Let me walk you through the highlights. First, step-by-step instructions. The site guides you on where to post ads and how to respond to inquiries. Second, pre-written ad templates. You don't have to create ads yourselves. They give you ready-to-use templates to make your job easier. Third, affiliate links and tools. The sites recommend services like classifiedsubmissions.com to help you scale your ad posting. The goal: to help you automate the process so you can earn more with less effort. The website features several videos that provide additional insights into this opportunity. First, introduction to email processing jobs. This video explains the basics of the system, how it works, and what you can expect when you start. Second, ad posting strategies. A step-by-step guide on where and how to post ads effectively to maximize engagement. Third, scaling your earnings. This video dives into tools and platforms like classifiedsubmissions.com, showing how to expand your reach and boost income. If you are someone who learns better through visuals, these videos can be a handy resource to get you started. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. What makes email processing jobs appealing? First, beginner friendly. You don't need any special skills or experience to start. Second, passive income potential. Once your ads are live, they can keep working for you. Third, low effort. With pre-written templates and clear instruction, there's less guesswork. For someone looking for a simple way to dip their toes into online income, this might seem like a good option. But no review is complete without the other side of the story. Here are the potential downsides. First, initial investment. You may need to pay for resources, tools, or affiliate subscriptions to get started. Second, uncertain results. Your success depends on your consistency and ability to market effectively. Third, competition. The space is crowded and standing out can be a challenge. It's important to set realistic expectations. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. So, who can benefit from this? If you are a beginner exploring online income opportunities, this could be a stepping stone. If you enjoy posting ads and experimenting with online marketing, it might be worth a shot. But if you are looking for a guaranteed income with minimal risk, this may not be the best fit. Email processing jobs have their pros and cons. They are not a magic bullet for making money online, but they can work for those willing to invest time, effort, and a little money. If you are curious about exploring this side hustle, the videos and tools on the website can provide a decent starting point. Now, here's the deal. If you are interested in trying email processing jobs, I have included a link in the description below. This link gives you access to all the resources you need to get started, and using it also helps support this channel, so I can continue bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning into Profit Review HQ. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your thought in the comments. Would you try email processing jobs? Let me know. Until next time, keep hustling smarter.